moustache. Me make sure somebody right in between them. Nikki kind of go around me now and go to Pascal and say, where you say, where you say, where you.
One for the pretty girl. Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey guys, it's Tashirs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started in this video, before everything, I need a name to call you guys. Like, instead of coming on and saying, hey guys, I want something to call you. So please send me your suggestions. It would be highly appreciated. Okay. So before we start sipping on this tea, make sure to like this video. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe. I did a Q&A thing on Instagram, like 2 posts. And I picked 15 questions. I'll answer the other questions in another video. But for this video, it's just 15 questions. So let's get started. First question, who made your birthday cake and how was it? It was made by Pastry Passion. I found them on Instagram. And how was it? Honestly, to be honest, it didn't taste as good as it looked. But it was okay. I ain't complaining. And the looks make it worth it. Like, it look damn good. I know you see, that's why I asked. But the taste, not my preferred taste in cakes. What is your skincare routine? A video coming up on that, boo. A video coming up. You seems like a nice person, are you? Honestly speaking, I would say I'm a nice person, but I do try to put up a front at times because nobody not gonna take a step on me. Nobody not gonna take a step. Nobody now go step on me or come go with me or nothing like that. So sometimes I have to be a bitch. It's life. Who do you start a couple's YouTube channel? Would I? Maybe I would probably. How do you handle stress? Okay, to be honest with you, I don't think I've ever been stressed. Like, I don't think I've ever been stressed because the way people explain the feeling of stress, I don't think I've ever reached that. So I've never handled stress, or I've never been stressed. What was the most depressing time of your life? Yeah, the most depressing part of my life was when my grandma died. Like, it was just, you know, like, it literally felt like my heart broke. Like, I could literally feel the pain in my heart. It was not a nice feeling at all, and I would cry a lot. Yeah, so that was the most depressing time for me, and I was in high school at that time. So to go to school and act like everything alright, act like I'm alright, it was not nice. So that, I would say, it was the most depressing time of my life. Could you be someone's side chick? No, I would not. But you know, enough people are side chick and them don't even know. But I would not willingly be someone's side chick.
Willingly, I didn't do it willingly, of my own mind.
Who do you date a celebrity? Bitch, I'm a celebrity. I'm kidding. I am dating a celebrity. Like, I am Alkaline's wife. What are you saying? I'm dating him. But besides him, no, I don't think so, because I like my guys very low key. Very, very low key. Not in the hype. please don't ask me why Alkaline is my husband, and yes it is, but Alkaline is an exception. You see me? Aren't you afraid people rob you when you do public interview in Clarendon? To be honest with you, I feel more comfortable in Clarendon than in Kingston, hence why I did the video in Clarendon. Like, I've never been in Clarendon and I don't feel okay with walking with my phone in my hands. In Kingston, Crossroads, Halfway Tree, I won't even mention downtown. I'm not walking with my phone at all. Furthermore, in my arms, I feel very uncomfortable in Kingston. Like, feel like I have 6 eyes on me. I always look out for something to happen. In Clarendon, I feel more safe. I don't know if because I'm used to Clarendon or I grew up in Clarendon, but I do not feel afraid, to be honest. That doesn't mean that I am not cautious. What products do you use on your skin? Currently, I'm only using Marabella Ski Spray, facial spray, and Ladinola soap. That's what I'm currently using because my skin is clear right now, so I don't need to do all the routine things right now, but I'll still do a video with some before and after pics. Show you that this definitely did mess right up. Waves or dreads, which you prefer? Waves. Wanna ride that wave? What inspired you to do YouTube? What inspired me? Honestly, watching other YouTubers like Kelly Sweet, Bretman Rock, Darren Ken, Diamond Flawless. Who else I used to watch a lot? The Ace Family. Like, I just like the idea of it. Like, it seems fun. And if you do check my channel, I do a different range of videos. Like, I make pranks, challenges, like everything with me like watch, it me a post or it me a go do. So this not gonna be no like the makeup channel, this not gonna be no couples channel, this not gonna be no nothing channel, not gonna have a steady content. It's gonna be different content because it's what I enjoy watching. Get me? But yes, and also many people always say to like, girl, why not do your makeup on YouTube, girl, do YouTube, etc, etc. So that was also one of the reasons. So other YouTubers that I watch and people asking me to do it. I hope they're all subscribed right now. Everybody will ask me. Which month you born? I was born in August. I'm a Leo. I said girl, who really won the fight between Pasco and Nikki? Okay, so if you know me, like know me personally, I do try to stay away from drama. Like, I don't do drama. I don't like it. I don't even want to hear about it. Well, sometimes some of them funny, not gonna lie, and interesting. But otherwise, I stay away from it as best as possible. But honestly, so I went to downtown to meet Pasco, right? And fast forward to we going to a place to buy a tights. I went in there. I wanted to go to that place to buy a tights, and I saw Nikki in it. Bear in mind, I know Nikki well, I know Pasco well. I know Pasco through Nikki because we were both in Chrome Girls. Yeah, that's where I know Pasco from. But time passed, I got closer to Pasco than to Nikki, so Pascal is more of a good friend to me, and Nikki is just a friend. Like, I know her. When I went in there, I saw Nikki. So I asked Nikki, what's up? Yeah, Nikki just barely hear me, not so she go all up around reach over Pascal. Nikki barely hear me. So she said, Pascal, what going now? Okay, in person, whatever. But me, honestly, did that thing say a joke, because me knows that Pascal don't want to fight Nikki. Pascal never you talk like she want to fight Nikki. I mean, Pascal don't want to fight Nikki. So, I don't remember what Pascal said. I mean, like, Nikki, it's because I don't want to take out my phone and video this right now because it's too much views. I go and I chat for like distract them from where they go, them altercation. So, where was I? Yeah, so I say, I try to distract them, but Nikki, I still say things to Pascal answer Nikki, like she say, we meet in person, we hope you have a bag of mouth like oh, you have over the media, whatever. And Pascal say, of course, Pascal say, like, of course, whatever. They must say, what you say. And me like, it never did sound serious to me. It kind of sound like joke to me, and if I joke. But me want to put my guard in case them really want to fight. They stop it because I don't want them to fight. They're two beautiful young ladies that people look up to, and like them feel build each other, and I feel like them feel fight. And I like Nikki, I like Pascal, I don't want them to fight. It'll put me in an awkward position. Like, I feel weird and awkward, and I never promote violence. I don't promote violence at all. I don't promote even the social media beef and the social media what about this and what about that. No, I don't like that. So me being cash, me make sure somebody right in between them. Nikki kind of go around me now and go to Pascal and say, where you say. I think one time Nikki go so and touch Pascal. So and then from there so it kick off. And Pascal fling and Nikki fling, and I don't really know what one because I try to draw away Nikki. Like, because me and Nikki said to me, like, all I want to waste to draw away. And, like, that, I don't know, I mean, like 2 seconds. So I don't know if nobody untouch nobody or whatever. This man come in there. And the man lift me by my waist, The man lift me by my waist. Seems so the man go with me. And push me, like when he lift me up and put me back down, my bones Pascal baby drop on the floor and started crying. So I'm like, this idiot man I touched me for, he must seem thinks me a fight. And me a fight, like. So really, the answer to that is no one won the fight because that was not a fight. Nothing barely happened. That was like 2 seconds. And I don't sure if Nikki untouched Pascal, and I don't know if Pascal untouched Nikki. I don't know what happened. So that's my tea on that. None of them are fight, none of them are winning, because that never made no sense. I said to them, yo, don't fight because the baby's right here. At least wait one another time if they're about to fight. Like, don't fight while Pascal is here. You see me? And I guess them listen to me. Because nobody really have to break them. Like, they both stopped. Next question. Why don't you take Gio? Why don't I take him? Like, take him where? In my video, right? Tell him and Ken so to come in my video. And that's me, don't. Most of the time, nothing else. Alright, so instead of answering other Gio and Ken related questions in another video, I just want to add it to this video. The prank was not fake. No, I'm not dating Gio. I have love and respect for them as a couple. So I do find it rather disrespectul or distasteful for you to be asking that. It's 6:30, it's early as hell. 6:30 a.m. That's why I hear so much capaco. And anyways, back to Vanessa. I must add a big up to Gio and Ken for including me into that video. And big up to their supporters who come and show me support, like, I appreciate, Big up on yourself. Continue with the video now. Last question. How do we edit your pics? I'm going to do a video on that also. Okay, and that's it for my Q&A. Make sure to like, leave your feedback, your comments on anything you want to say in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.